Hello everyone, welcome to Minute Coding with Miguel Parada. Today we're going over what Float and Clear does. First we'll do some setup here and just import some images we have from our desktop. Now what Float does, right, we can tell whether an object should be left of the screen or the right of the screen. And right here we'll just float left, so we'll line the image to the left. However, we want text to be before the image, so text and tell it to float to the left as well. Now, right here looks kind of jumbled up, so we'll have to use something called clear. What clear does is it makes it so it pushes, it has its own line. So pretty much, it'll be like I'm telling it to go beneath the text right here. So we'll simply copy and paste this code right here for the other image, so we can clear from the black background image, and we'll have the white image underneath the black image, and that's how you have that. And just to show it all, I'll show you that you can float right as well. But that's all I want to show you today. Thank you for watching.